Hey guys, this is Maria Triano from PA Dance Vision and PA Dance Network. This is a new dance that you can learn and have some fun with. It is called the Dragonfly, and remember it's mirrored in the video here, so I'm starting with my right foot and it might look like I'm starting with my left, but when you're doing it, start with the right foot as well. Crossover, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, up, up, down, 7 and 8. Let's do that part again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. From here, you're going to do 2 little pulses. 1, 2, and drop your wrists. 3, 4. A half head roll to the right. 5, and then a half head roll to the left. 6, reach up right. 7, reach up 8 and. Okay, so the second part there is pulse 2, 3, 4, head roll, and up and up. Let's put that all together. 6, 7, first part. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's the pulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 and. That's part 1, guys. The Dragonfly. Part 2, guys, of the Dragonfly. Up, down, and over. Up, down, and over. So we start on the right and then do the same thing on the left. Then cross both. Up, down, double Dragonfly. And then you're going to do the right, left, down, and one of the pulses. Up, down. And that's how the second part goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Both of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, up, down, and pulse down. That's part 2. Here comes part 3, guys, of the Dragonfly. We're going like bye-bye, little action like this with the right hand, up, up, and then a little swish to the left, and then hands on the hips. So 2 little pulses back with the hips. Up, up, and swish, and hands to the hips. Shake it back, walk, walk, step, touch. Smooth it down your body with 2 claps, and then turn to the left and do 1 clap. Side together, step, clap. Okay? So we have up, up, and swish, and back, and shimmy, back, step, touch, and down. 2 claps, and 1 clap at the end. Hey, part 4, guys, of the Dragonfly. From here, we're going to step back, and the right arm is going to do like a little dragonfly swoop. Right, left, and then 2 little quick ones. Okay? So we're going back, together, and whoop, whoop. Knee, lift, ball change, and then 2 shoulder shrugs. So the right shoulder is doing a little pulse, and you're kind of facing the left. So you're doing 1, 2, 3, and 4, up, ball change, and hit, hit. From here, you're going up and over. Again, we have the fisted hands. Up and over, cross, up and over, cross. Genie, switch the genie to the other side. Drop your arms down, and then your dragonfly flies off into the sunset. And that's the last part. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Knee, ball change, and hit, hit, up and over, up and genie, up, switch, down and hit. Your dragonfly flies off. That's the final piece, guys. Practice. Here's the whole thing put together, guys. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And arm goes up and swish it and up. 6 and both of them. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, up, down, and pulse down. And 1, 2, and hips. And shake it back, step, touch. And side together, step, clap. Side together, single clap. Go back. 1. Knee, ball change, and hit, hit. Up and over, up and genie. Ding, 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 and boom. That's the Dragonfly, guys. Have fun with it. Would love to see what you come up with.